Hello, this is the CRT man here. Today I have my completely broken NTC Mechanical Keyboard for 286 computers and Intel 8088 computers. The one I restored, but then it turned out that it broke down. Well, it turned out it doesn't work at all, so I'm going to show you the insides. I already took out all the screws. See here, that's the frame. This, like I said, this keyboard is completely dead, so yeah. I'm not really sure what actually caused it to die. Here's the inside. As you see, it's pretty cool. It's got a GoldStar chip in there. So yeah, some GoldStar parts. Some resistors, diodes. Don't see any capacitors actually. Yeah, NTC, copyright Intel 1977. So you see, this is the mechanical. It's just in horrible shape. I mean, like I said, I found it in a bush, so it was already in pretty messed up shape. And then on the back, you have the circuit board. Pretty cool, eh? And actually, while I was cleaning up around here, I found a remain of that old compact keyboard that I showed the insides of, but then I threw it away. But I found this rubber dome piece left over, so that's pretty funny. So, I'm not really gonna, like, trash this keyboard or something. I'm gonna put it back together, I guess, so there you have it. So, thanks for watching.